Hey there, I'm Neeraj, and today, I'm super excited to chat with you about extending Microsoft 365 into a hybrid cloud, especially tailored for the C-suite. It's fascinating, right? So, when you talk about Microsoft 365, a lot of folks immediately think about Office 365, but what many don't realize is its immense potential when combined with hybrid cloud architectures. This can mean the world of difference for enterprises like yours. Imagine a setup that supports both on-premises infrastructure and the flexibility of the cloud. Neat, huh? As we dive in, picture yourself navigating through a maze of cloud resources and on-site systems to find a harmonious balance. That's what hybrid cloud extension is all about. And while the thought of it might appear intimidating, trust me, I've got the deets down to an art form. Let's get rolling. Now, you are well aware that the cloud isn't just about storage and computing. It's security, governance, compliance, and a lot of back and forth. Extending Microsoft 365 into this environment is no minor feat. It's about leveraging cloud services and enhancing your on-premises capabilities. This fusion supports your data sovereignty needs and helps adhere to regulatory compliance, while also ensuring your IT infrastructure is not overburdened. Sounds beneficial, doesn't it? So here's a peek into some of the intricate details, the nifty gears and sails that steer this colossal ship. Firstly, let's talk about the architecture. You've got to decide on how you want Microsoft 365 components to interact with other systems in your hybrid environment. Azure Active Directory acts as the backbone connecting everything together. When you thoughtfully plan this connection, it feels less like a juggling act and more like orchestration. You'll want to extend your user environment beyond the walls of your office without sacrificing your company's core security posture. That means deploying Azure AD Extended Protection Policy and ensuring your tenants are seamlessly protected no matter where they access resources. Tempted yet? I hope so. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We've got to plan a path through potential roadblocks as well. Like myriad streams feeding into a river, there's a plethora of solutions and technologies at our disposal, but we have to choose wisely and avoid any missteps that might cause more harm than good to your organization's flow. Speaking of flow, let's talk scalability. Extending your Microsoft 365 setup demands the ability to scale gracefully as your business does as well. This is where adopting a resilient, modular approach to your implementation architecture pays dividends. You are creating a dynamic system that can adapt to current and future demands, like a living ecosystem working in perfect symbiosis. Now, let's get to configuration details. The setup may look daunting at first, layers of services and policies, gateways and integrations, but think of it as your digital toolbox. You know what you need and you know how to use it. By strategically integrating Exchange, OneDrive, and SharePoint, you transform them from discrete tools into an interconnected suite that spans both local and cloud. That's a win-win. Troubleshooting is where the real heroes are tested. You are no stranger to solving problems, right? Well, extending Microsoft 365 calls for a proactive mindset. Keep an eye on logs, set up effective monitoring, and deploy automation wherever possible to prevent and resolve issues swiftly. This keeps your organization moving steadily, without fear of an interruption lurking around the corner. And we all agree that best practices are golden. Continuous evaluation of policies, Keeping abreast of industry changes and ensuring the security protocols are airtight will keep your enterprise secure year-round. Think of it as tending to your digital garden. Regular cultivation ensures its bloom and vitality. Extending Microsoft 365 can seem akin to reinventing the wheel, but rest assured, the groundwork has been laid centuries ago. It's all about how you roll on that innovative chassis. There's a lot of moving parts, but with knowledge and experience, we can make it sail. Feel the rush of power as you harness the best of the digital world? Because I know I do. Microsoft 365 isn't just a service, it's your superpowered companion. Together, with the right skills and strategies, you can command this hybrid cloud environment, driving your organization forward at breathtaking speeds. I've covered some of the details, but the deep dive can get pretty techy. That's why I've put together a treasure trove of resources. You can start with extending Microsoft 365 in a hybrid cloud beyond the basics. It's detailed and has worked wonders for savvy admins out there. Take a look without peeping at the title for a surprise. It's worth digging into. Tada! I've reached the end of our little chat today. I bet it wasn't as dry as the most tedious tech jargon-laden document you've come across, right? Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more of my conversations demystifying the latest in C-suite computing. Catch ya in the next one. Remember, the tech journey is endless and the learning curve infinite, but armed with knowledge, we make leaps and bounds. Until next time, keep those digital dreams afloat. TechLab here, your friend in the techverse. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. See ya!